Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy a traditional gift card on Pizza Hut online. Open the website buypizzahutcards.com/gift card. Once you're on their website, you will see the types of gift card. Click on the Order Now button under Traditional Gift Cards. Now, select the amount and quantity of your card. Then click on Next. Next, you need to register. If you're an existing customer, sign in with your email and password. But if you're a new customer, you could choose from Create an Account or Guest Checkout. So in this video, I chose Guest Checkout. Review your order. If everything's good, click on Proceed to Checkout. On this page, select the shipping option and enter the shipping information. Then if you also proceed as a guest, enter all the required personal and billing information. After that, click on the tick box beside I agree to the terms and conditions. Lastly, review your order and all the information. If everything looks good, click on Purchase. That's how you buy a traditional gift card on Pizza Hut online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.